Oh, hey there. This is Frank with Electric Wheelchair Parts. This is going to be a short one with regards to flashing lights on your joystick. What does it mean? Well, first of all, we should start off by saying there are many, many different types of wheelchairs and many, many different types of joysticks. Some joysticks work with a control module, some don't. The ones that don't are called integrated joysticks. These are just a few of the more popular ones. This is from a Pride Quantum. This is a VSI joystick. This is integrated. This is a Dynamic Shark. This is a GC joystick. This is a Pride product. This is a VR2 joystick. As you may notice, they all kind of look the same. This is an Invacare joystick. A lot of times you get an Invacare joystick that looks a lot like this joystick. This doesn't look like this one, but you'll think that you can put the ones that look like that on an Invacare and have it work, and that's just not true. But that is beyond where we're going here today. So anyway, as many joysticks as they are, and this is only I want to say a tenth, but in the grand scheme of things, it probably is. But there are more wheelchairs than there are joysticks, models of wheelchairs. And for instance, there are 30 Jazzies, there are 10 Jets, there are hundreds of models of Invacare and Quickie and Permobile. So anyway, I guess what I'm getting at is, you don't need to do this by yourself. You don't need to do all this research yourself. Although it's good for you, I think you should. It'll make you closer to your electronics. But if you don't want to, give us a call. My name is Frank. This is Electric Wheelchair Parts. Our number is 800-717-1252. And all you need to do is have a good grasp of what chair you have, what joystick you have, and the error codes that you're having. A lot of times when we say error codes, it's going to be a number of flashes. Now, sometimes it's the number of bars in a flash. And error codes are usually a flash. They're not a scroll. Okay, a scroll is when the lights go kind of like some of the newer turn signals on newer cars, will have kind of a scroll. But I'm talking about just flashes. And but if you have your hand on that, how many flashes, how many bars in the flash, and what chair you have, we can certainly help you out a lot quicker than say that you're doing the research yourself. Now, if you want to do the research yourself, at electricwheelchairparts.com, we have it'll say troubleshooting, and I have troubleshooting for dynamic, which is the Shark, and a lot of the Invacare joysticks use dynamic, so a lot of their error codes are the same. And for the Pride products, it's usually Penny and Giles or PG drives. And that is on our, it's right on the front page in the right margin. It'll say dynamic troubleshooting or PG drives troubleshooting. And you just find your joystick and look it up, and it should tell you what's wrong with it. Now, when I say what's wrong with it, I mean it'll tell you what that error code means. Now, the error code doesn't always mean what it says. It is a computer, I'm sure that you know from your own computer experience that when you're having computer problems, like sometimes the computer's just wackadoo, and it's just broken. And so, if you're getting an error code, and let's say you get an error code and it says your right motor is not working properly. And so you go out and you buy a right motor and you put it on and you turn your machine back on and it comes up with that error code again. Well, that just means that your joystick was wackadoo and the error code wasn't true, and which happens 50% of the time. So you can't always take the error codes and take them as gospel, because that's not going to be the situation. But it's a good starting point, and that's what we use it for, starting point. So anyway, I guess that's that. So I encourage you, if you're having these problems, to give us a call. We can help you out probably a lot quicker than you can find that information yourself. And my name is Frank, Electric Wheelchair Parts. The number's right down below the screen. The number is 800-717-1252. All right, well, I hope this has helped a little bit. I know it didn't help a lot, but if you give us a call, you have your wheelchair model, you know what type of joystick you have, and you know what type of error code you're getting, more than happy to help you. So thanks a lot for watching. I hope this helped a little bit. Thank you.